Your feeling, brother, is 1, 2, 3 for South Africa, and you are number one. How do you feel about it?
Yeah, it's always great to do well, and it's always great to. But I know it's come with a pedigree. You know, it's come again with the hard work I did. I mean, first of all, I like to take this opportunity to thank God for giving me this opportunity. Without Him, it's a mind He given me. I knew, but this day I will take it. And also, I want to thank our coach, Wam Omusha, and I think this is a new beginning. Ubaba Uweli Mtolo. I want to thank him. I want to thank him with the guys. All they contribute to my win today. The guys they've been working with me, training with me since October last year. And I also want to thank Usbu Ngamanik, the guy who working from Michael House. All the guys they've been contributing to my training camp. And I also want to take this opportunity again to thank the guys that I've been training with them all to my camp. Tusomosia, Luzugum Telis, Nkosnat Nyamagaz, and the other guys that they've been there. And also, I want to thank all the people who have been helping me through the whole route. I want to thank Ntombela, I want to thank Uzwe, all these men. They left their family and come and support me. This is my second family, and I want to thank my family, my fiance. And I want to thank all the guys, my younger brother who was crying all the way, pushing me. And today, this is my victory. I'm grateful, but I know it's come with a challenge. It's difficult, I must say. It's not easy to train the comrade, and it's not easy to lead the comrade, I must say. But today, I made it.
Mokatisi wa gagwe e leng William Tolo, your winner today. Bongo Muse is very happy to have been a winner.
You know, I can't even say the words, the way I'm so excited in my life, It looked like I've won the race, But I had no doubt because the way they were training, the guys were training very, very hard. He deserved to win it because last year, the last down run, he ran very well. But today, he made for South Africa. He made especially for Natal because it's been a long time that Natal hasn't won a race. And I'm very happy and I'm sure that there will be more champions, especially here in KwaZulu-Natal, if they can give me opportunity to train the runners because most of them, we have got a lot of talent, but we need the right people to grow the talent.
William Tolo from our commentary team as well is here with his winner and is back to the commentary team. Thank you very much.